Michael Jordan is set to testify in a federal antitrust trial against NASCAR, a case that has gripped Charlotte, North Carolina, since Monday. The lawsuit, filed in 2024, pits Jordan's co-owned 23XI racing team and Front Row Motorsports against NASCAR, alleging that the sanctioning body operates as a monopoly, restricting teams' revenue and freedom by mandating uniform car models and approved suppliers. NASCAR denies any wrongdoing, insisting it is trying our hardest to resolve the dispute, even as internal communications and financial documents are scrutinized in court. Jordan, 62, widely celebrated for his basketball legacy and former ownership of the Charlotte Hornets, is also a committed motorsports entrepreneur. He co-founded 23XI Racing with business partner Curtis Pope and veteran NASCAR driver Denny Hamlin 5 years ago. The team declined NASCAR's 2024 charter revenue-sharing proposal, prompting the lawsuit. Hamlin described the decision as necessary, saying he recognized the agreement as a death certificate for the future of his team, and that NASCAR's practices were unfair to teams investing in the sport. The trial has revealed internal debates among NASCAR executives over control and competition, with 23XI Racing and Front Row Motorsports branding NASCAR as monopolistic bullies. They argue the sanctioning body's ownership of most tracks, along with its approval requirements for independent venues, limits competition and growth opportunities for smaller teams. Jordan has framed his fight as one for fairness, saying he is advocating not just for his own team, but for all smaller teams who deserve a voice in the sport. Courtroom proceedings are ongoing, with Jordan expected to provide testimony that could influence the jury's view of NASCAR's operations and its treatment of team owners. The case highlights tensions between maintaining NASCAR's control and fostering a competitive environment, raising questions about equity, team autonomy, and the future structure of the sport. The outcome could reshape revenue models, charter rules, and team rights, setting a precedent for how NASCAR manages its championship series. This trial has already exposed the high stakes for all parties involved, blending the worlds of professional sports, business, and legal strategy. Jordan's testimony will be a key moment, potentially shaping both public perception and the legal landscape of motorsports, as the sport balances tradition with the growing demands of team owners and investors seeking fair opportunities.